Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are installing these high beam LED lights that I bought off of Amazon. They'll be linked down below, and test them out. Today we actually have a 4x4 meet here in town, night run up all the way to the mountains that you guys always see up there. So that's why I got these high beams. The high beams that I have in there are burnt out, so they don't even light up. So let's go ahead and install these LEDs and see how they perform tonight, and I'll show you some of the other cool Jeeps that are there. And if you change any bulbs in your headlights, you know the drill. Take off this bolt up here and the headlight pretty much pops out. Once you loosen it up, pull out the bolt and the headlight should come off. Mine comes off really easy. Yours might be a little bit tougher than that if you've never taken it off before. But in here is where the high beam is, and these bulbs that I'll link down below are meant for like this type of headlight. Any aftermarket, these are H1 bulb. Your stock headlights, they come with 9005 bulbs. Let's go ahead and remove the rubber piece. These just pull off, and this is how they come packaged. They come with the glove too. You don't really need them since they're LEDs. It doesn't really matter if you touch the filament like it does on standard halogen bulbs. So what you have to do is this pin that goes across, you gotta push it down on both sides. One at a time works. And then that pops up, and then you can take the old bulb out. And you can see mine are burnt. So the new one goes in there. There's a flat spot on the new one. So it's kind of difficult to get the bulb in with the fan. So as you're putting the bulb in, the metal clips you want to put around the bottom of the fan, you push it. I'll try to show you better on the other side, but it's a little bit tough, but we got it in. And then we connect the wires. So now it's time to put the dust cover back on. All right, turn on the high beam. There it is, it's on. Damn, I haven't had high beams in a long time, so hopefully they are bright. These are 1200 lumen, so we'll see at night. Chris wants to model the light with the gloves that it came with. Ooh, these actually look really nice. And they have the fan on the back too. That way it'll keep it cool. So let's go ahead and put it in. So what I was talking about with this metal clip, you want to get it in between here and here as you're pushing the bulb in. And then the flat spot on the bulb goes towards where that flat spot is up there. So it's kind of tough. Maybe record it from this angle. You kind of want to push that like that while you're aiming in. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now align the bulb, and then I suggest using that screw that you took out to push the pins down into place. It's kind of tough to get it in there, but all right, there we go. It should be in. No, it's not. There we go. There we go. Now it's in. It's flat all the way around. Connect the red to red, black to black. Okay, hide these wires in there, and then put the dust cover on. All right, now we're good to go. We can put this back on, and then we'll test them out later tonight. So there's a bunch of dope cars. We just got here. We parked all the way at the end, but I mean, you can see the lineup. Jeez. Honestly, a lot more cars than I thought would be here, so that's sick. Look at that dune buggy. Sheesh. Damn, the Gladiator though. I love the Gladiator. I feel like this is the Gladiator kit. Have a Gladiator, have some Rhino wheels. It looks good though, I'm not hating on it. Iron Man, Stark Industries, let's go. So I guess it wasn't just off-road. Nice. Chris said he wants to get on. Let's get on, Chris. Check this thing out. It's the old Silverados. But look at that suspension. Sheesh. That's pretty cool. Let's look at the inside too. They got the whole setup. Jesus. No, my suspension's not gonna look like that. Unless you learn how to weld. Because I'm not good at it. That Jeep, that's the best one here. These things are so clean. I don't know about you guys, but the new Broncos, they look good too. Not the minivan ones, like the actual Bronco. But these are nice. Another one over here too with the vinyl door. What? That's pretty cool. And then this one's freaking sick. I like the back cover. I don't know if you guys remember this XJ, but when we saved the Toyota, he was actually there to help too. We got some more Jeeps over here. We got JK and another XJ. The Cherokees are pulling up. That's right. This one has a full roll cage. High pinion Dana 30 in the front, Dana 44 in the rear. see us through the fender. Damn, we got a Tacoma. I think this is the only one here. It's pretty clean though, I like it. We have the homie over here, the one we welded the axle for. We got the 4XE right here. We got the XJ2 right here. Anti-rock in the front. I don't know what it has done to it, but pretty sick. The night run was canceled. There's nobody in charge, so I couldn't figure out what to do. We still might go later on, but let me go show you the lights, how bright they are. You can see we got the Broncos over here. This is just regular lights. It's actually kind of bright. So we actually met up with another Jeep. We're gonna go take them exploring in the mountains over here, and we got to test out the high beam. All right, so we're about to hit the trails. This is just with the stock headlights. Right now we'll turn on the high beam. This is stock headlights, this is high beam. They are a little bit brighter.
Nah, you can see a little bit more of the mountain.
Yeah, I guess that's true. You can actually see the mountain. Yeah, they're definitely brighter than the stock headlights though. My headlights are just good. They're just really bright. All right, we're on the trail now. I wonder how bumpy it is on video, but I'm trying out this new mount. It's onto my sunroof with the suction cup, and then that's my phone right there. All right, so we made it to the hills. Last time when I messed up the rear diff, I went up this little hill right there, and on the other side is where I messed it up somehow. I don't know. I think I might have sent it a little too hard over there, gave it too much gas. And then on this side is where I messed up, over here to the right. All right, so maybe this angle is better where you can see the light. You can actually tell that it does light up. I don't think one of them is angled correctly, the passenger side, but the driver's side, definitely bright. All right, so we just got done off-roading. We came down to this gas station to take some pictures, but honestly, both Jeeps did good. The trail's not bad. It's pretty much by roads, but I mean, we still had fun. So actually, Gio hit me up and I told him, come through, let's go off-roading. So that's Gio right there. I hooked him up with the shirt. We had fun. Anyways, that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to check out najaroffroad.com, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.